Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maaring mag-resonate, maaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugor sa reading natin. Okay? So, let's see. So, we have here the King of Swords and the Moon card. The Knight of Cups, Five of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. Queen of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles. So, yung bottom card natin dito, Page of Swords. So, okay. So, for some of you, itong reading na ito, para to dun sa mga nagparamdam kahapon eh. May mga nagparamdam ba? During full moon? Ayan. And for some of you kasi, itong mga taong ito is pinangunahan na naman ng kanilang takot. Ayan. And for some of you, nagparamdam talaga. May mga nagparamdam ba during full moon? Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Signs and symbol cards. The Lock, Teddy Bear, Scissors, and Healing Crystals. Playing cards, Coffin. Bottom card natin, Traffic Lights. Okay. So, itong taong ito na iniisip niya mag-reach out kahapon. For some of you, nagparamdam. For some of you, hindi. Kasi yung mga hindi nagparamdam, ito yung mga taong na nag-i-stalk pa lang. So, hindi nila nagawa. No? Pero they want. Gusto nilang gawin. Pero hanggang dun, hanggang stalking stage lang yung kaya nila. Hanggang pag-i-stalk lang yung kaya nilang gawin kahapon. During full moon. Ayan, with the moon card. So, tingnan natin. So, mas pinili niya pa rin na wala. Cut off. Itong communication nyo with the Scissor. For some of you, may mga childhood friend na muli kayong nakapag-usap. Wow, Victory by Archangel Sandalphon. Your prayers have been heard and answered. Have faith. Oh, so yung mga hinihiling mo, no, mga inaasa mo, minamanifest mo, ito ang sagot. Victory is yours. So, for some of you, ginamit nyo na lang itong season na to for healing. Kasi parang you're not ready pa na itong taong ito or parehas kayo. Kaya hindi nag-reach out, nag-i-stalk lang kasi gusto pa niya muna mag-heal from this experience from the past or maring ikaw or parehas kayo. I'm stubborn but practical. I'm isolating myself to reflect. You're my rest and my healer. Kasi ayun na nga, mas pinili niya mag-isolate muna. So, sa mga hindi nag-reach out, ayan. So, gusto niya munang mag-isolate muna. No, para talagang nagmamatigas siya. Stubborn but practical. Pero, ayan, no, ramdam niya yung energy mo very soothing. Talagang, yung vibes mo kasi para sa kanya is very, nurturing, ayan, parang ang lakas maka-healer ng energy. So, moving forward, pero ayan, this is not over yet. I will fight for you, caught in the middle, and you're my twin flame. So, ayan na naman sa mga twin flames energy natin to. Itong reading na ito. Confirmation natin dito na kung yung twin flame mo hindi nagparamdam kahapon, Ayan, maaaring kiniklear pa niya yung mga cycles, karmic cycles. Maaaring may nagparamdam sa kanya na karmic cycle, kaya kailangan niya muna talagang i-clear yon bago kayo magkaroon ng contact, communication. Kasi maaaring nako-confuse pa siya ngayon kasi itong may mga karmic cycles na nagbabalik, no? I'm working hard for our future, pero ginagawa naman niya yung way, yung the best niya para maayos itong future niyo together. So, tingnan natin. We both know I'm not the one for you. I hid who I really am from you. Finding out the truth crushed me. I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson. Maaari kasing hindi pa talaga right time, naghihintay pa siya, ayan. The timing just wasn't right for us. It's time for me to heal now. So, yun muna talaga ang kailangan, mag-heal from this heartache, from this chaos na nangyari from the past. I hide behind material things and just being near you is intoxicating. Bottom card, my life is not as together as it seems. Kuha tayo ng initials natin dito. X, P, C. S, N, F, H, L. Bottom card natin is U. And kuha lang tayo rin ng blue cards natin dito. Chaser, reminiscing, and addictions. So, ayan, binabalikan niya. Kahapon kasi, binabalikan niya yung mga nangyari or yung past ninyo together. Gusto niya maghabol, pero sa tingin niya kasi hindi pa ready eh. Hindi pa siya ready na ilabas itong mga emotions na to. Tinatago niya muna eh. No? Kaya gusto niya muna mag-isolate muna. Ayan. Gusto niya muna mag-isolate at mag-i-stalk. Yun lang muna yung ginagawa niya. No, maaaring kung nag-iisip pa siya, maaaring, lalo na kung twin flame mo to, by next year pa siguro to, or bago mag-New Year or New Year during or pagkatapos ng Mercury retrograde. Kasi, maaaring pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya mag-reach out kahit gustong-gusto niya nang mag-reach out sa'yo. Ayan. Tingnan natin general signs and messages. Number 7. Wands is fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. June and March. Good heart. Very lucky. Skin tag. Cancer sign. Attractive. Killer smile. High expectations, present lover, and intelligent. City, travel. Province, number 3, confusing. Kasi ito pa yung energy niya ngayon eh. Confused pa siya sa mga nangyayari. No? Kaya kailangan niya munang i-digest or hindi pa nagsisink in sa kanya totally. No? Kaya hayaan niya muna siya na do their own thing para dito sa spiritual lessons na to na pinagdadaanan niya. Kasi, maring aware na siya eh. Ayan no, I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson. Lalo na kung you're in a twin flame journey. So, ayan. So, hayaan niyo muna siya, no? We have the mountain card. Crazy for you, cold city, animal lover, Aquarius, North PH, full of charisma, and mirror. Ayan o, mirrored souls kayo nito eh. Bottom card yan, fantastic friend. So yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.